A good credit score can help make you appealing to more than just credit card companies. A good credit score can boost your rental application and even get you a great rate on your car insurance. The interest rate you get on a loan is also determined based on your credit. And in this economy, that's what we all want to hear. Schoolsfirst Federal Credit Union is here to help us start our credit building journey. Here to help us score big is Jonathan Wesson, Madison Branch Manager for Schoolsfirst Federal Credit Union. Welcome back, Jonathan.
Thank you.
All right, so we're here to talk about credit again with you. So can you share what goes into determining a credit score?
So the credit can be kind of an overwhelming, complex topic. I'll do my best to break it down. Out of all the factors, there's 5 that I would say everyone wants to focus on. Starting with your payment history. Are you making your payments on time? That's going to be key. Second, I would say the amounts owed. That's going to be your total credit utilization ratio. We'll get into that later. Then we have our payment history length, right? So how long are you able to maintain and manage those credit payments? Then you want to have a good mix of credit. There's secure, there's unsecured, there's close-ended, there's revolving. You want to have a good ratio of that. And then new credit. You don't want to be getting new credit too often. You want to space that out. Yeah. Between all the factors that are involved, I'd say if you can focus on those five, you're going to be setting yourself up for a strong credit score.
Okay, that's good to know. And break down what a credit score is needed for and why is a good credit score in our best interest, pun intended, Jonathan.
So, a good one, by the way. Anytime you're applying for credit, the company is going to want to run your credit to see what they're going to offer you. Are you going to be able to get the amount you want? And then are you going to be able to get it at the lowest rate possible? Rates are on the increase. And so the lower you can get that rate equates to more money in your pocket at the end of each month.
Okay, and then so what are some tips you have on how viewers can build that credit?
If you're looking to build credit, the number one thing you're going to want to focus on is going to be that payment history. You got to make those payments on time. And the best way to do that is to set up an automatic payment. Your payment history equates for 35% of your credit score. So if you do nothing else, make sure you do that one. Then I would say the amounts owed, your credit utilization. A lot of people, they'll get a credit card and they'll say it's a $1,000 limit, and they'll max that out. And that takes away from you want to build it right now. Right. So keep a balance of 30% or less. So in that example, a balance of $300 or less, and that'll help you build your credit.
And how soon can folks expect to see results from taking these actions that you mentioned?
It's important to be patient. Building credit is not anything that comes with a quick fix. Yeah. It does take time. If you're new to credit, start off with a small credit card. Start those habits now of just making the small purchase and paying it off. If you're not new to credit, but maybe you've built up a little too much, kind of try to rein in your spending where you can. Look at the interest rates that you're paying and start paying down the ones with the highest rate, and that'll help you build that credit.
Ooh, any final tips for our viewers?
Final tips, I would say if you're looking for more tips, we do have a free webinar on our website put on by GreenPath Financial Wellness. Go to our website, schoolsfirstfcu.org, click on our Financial Wellness tab. You'll see GreenPath there where you can register for webinars, and they'll go in a lot more specifics.
All right, Jonathan helping us build our credit successfully, and you can visit one of the many Schoolsfirst Federal Credit Union branch locations as seen on the screen. And you can find out more online by going to schoolsfirstfcu.org.